The beginning of 1971 saw a new arrival on the Australian motoring scene. Described as the most handsome car Chrysler ever produced, and probably the best looking car ever produced by an Australian manufacturer, the iconic VH Valiant Charger was the ultimate combination of style, design and performance. The 265 Hemi 6-cylinder is mated to a 3-speed manual transmission, providing the raw and powerful feel these cars are famous for. The VH Valiant Charger achieved critical acclaim, winning the 1971 Australian Wheels Car of the Year. A sleek yet aggressive body and a torquey 6-cylinder was a recipe for success, leading to the car's now iconic status.